Hello family, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this amazing Thanksgiving dinner with friends and loved ones. So let's get started. Alright friends, so Thanksgiving is mainly celebrated here in the United States like every year. And the main idea is to, spend time with family and friends while you guys, eat amazing food together. So that's what Thanksgiving is here. So, as an African lady, I always try to add an African dish to my Thanksgiving dinner because usually they make like, all kinds of food, different dishes, that's what this Thanksgiving is all about. So I'm going to be preparing good light soup today. Yeah, so I had this goat meat in my freezer and I decided to make this soup. So if anyone want to try, if it's their first time and they would like to try, yeah, they are welcome to do so. And of course, as an African lady, we love our African food. You know what I mean? Goat like soup is like something that everybody really enjoys. So that is what I'm planning to make today. So now I have all my seasoning. I'm going to be adding tomato paste and I'm going to blend everything up. So after we are done blending, I have my meat already, put together. So we're just going to start seasoning that meat. Yeah, we're going to keep it really, really simple and very, very quick. And this soup actually came so delicious. I was really, really happy. Yeah, so just go ahead and cover it and have it seasoned, for about 20 minutes. And this is how it looks like. Yes, so you can go ahead and add your water in here. And basically, this is like the soup. Yeah, so you're gonna, like I said, gonna make sure that everything is cooked nicely, and then we will be back. So on this side, I've already washed my turkey, and Thanksgiving is all about turkey and ham, stuff like that. Like in American culture, that's what they usually cook. By today, yeah, I'm gonna, cook my turkey as well. And also I have here some seasoning mixed with lots of butter. So yeah, you have to use a lot of butter, to get that juicy turkey, flavor and all those stuff. So make sure that you add your butter in here because turkey itself usually dry out so fast. So if you don't take care of it and cook it really well, you're gonna have like a really dry meat and you don't want that. So that's why we usually add like a lot of butter in here just to, make it so juicy, and so delicious. Yeah, that's the secret. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and season my bed right here. This is a really, really big bed right here. So yeah, go ahead and season that, and then after you are done, we have some few vegetable lined up on the way that we are going to add. Some people like usually fry their turkey, and it's up to you, how to cook your turkey and all those stuff is up to you. So I'm just cutting here my vegetables, just to use that for that turkey. I'm gonna season it out with it actually. Yeah, and that's what I have here. So I'm cutting some celeries, and also I'm gonna cut a few things. All right, so next, since we are done with the season, just go ahead and stuff that turkey with your veggies. So that's usually what I'm doing right now. I'm adding carrots, celery, lemon, onion, and garlic. Yes. And after you're done, just go ahead and bake that. So usually it's gonna take about 2 to 3 hours to bake. Yeah, that's what it's gonna take actually. So on this side I have here my potatoes. In Thanksgiving dinner, of course, you have to make your mashed potatoes. That's what I'm making right now. Yeah, so that is what it is about. So next I'm gonna start cutting that potatoes up and get it ready to cook. Yeah, and this is like something that everyone usually do here back in the state because it's part of the tradition. You all have to embrace that and be glad with it. But as for me, I really, really love sweet mashed potatoes. It is an option though, but I really, really love it. If you haven't tried that yet, please do so. Yeah, so that's how it is. So next I'm cutting some celery and onion. So I'm going to use that for my stuffing. Thanksgiving dinner, it's always, about stuffing and, green casserole and stuff like that. So I'm just going to fry these veggies quick, and then we're gonna start making our stuffing. So I'm just making everything gradually, so I don't really stress myself, making it on keeping it really simple. That way, it's just easy for me, I guess. That's how I like it. So this is basically the stuffing. It's like a breadcrumbs that I have here. It's like dry or um had breadcrumbs that I'm using right here, and also I'm adding some chicken broth or chicken bone broth that you have. You can just add that, just to soften up that. And of course, Thanksgiving with green casserole is just everything. So I just have this also ready, and I'm gonna bake them for about 25 minutes. All right, so friends, as you can see, our turkey is ready. It looks so juicy. So usually you have to cut them up or you just have to leave it how it is. But to make my life easier, of course, I'm going to cut them up. And of course, I have here some fried rice that I decided to make on the side just in case, if they don't want to eat or they have a taste for something else, then they have it. And of course, we have our good light soup also ready. Everything looks amazing. And this is like the final result for all this cooking. So you can tell I have my mashed potatoes, I have my sweet mashed potatoes, rice is, lining up. Everything looks so amazing. In fact, I was so happy. I spent the whole time cooking in the kitchen and I really, really enjoyed it, and the results was really amazing. We kept it very simple, but yet very elegant. That's how we like it. It looks very, very nice, and so inviting. Families are so happy and they all enjoy this amazing dish, and I'm so happy, to have them around and also spend time with friends. It's just everything that we all need, just have like a little time together and chit chats and see how things are going. Yeah, so as for my dad, he really loves his fufu. It's like I really want to eat this good light soup with fufu. So that's what he is serving right now. So yeah, everything came out really nice and I was so happy. So as you can tell, soup looks so delicious, very, very, very inviting. I wish you guys were here to try this amazing dish. Yeah, so it's Thanksgiving. We're having great time, and I hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving as well as much as we did. So thank you so much for watching. This is, almost the end of the video, and we have people, around and spending time together and, sharing the love of Thanksgiving. That's what it is about. So thank you so much, friends. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to share for us, and also don't forget to like our page. And if you have any comments, feel free and leave it. Until I see you again, stay safe and have a blessed Thanksgiving.